Look at this jewel behind me, absolutely stunning. This home's 101 years old. Great area, super quiet, nice family neighborhood. Let's check it out. Right over off South Florida Avenue, minutes from Lake Hollingsworth, downtown Lakeland. Look at this, built in 1924. Completely quiet. There's a park right across the street. This park is so nice. Investor who has taken this property and really made it very beautiful. So, brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring, brand new paint. The windows have been updated. Don't know how new they are, but they're not 100 years old. So they appear to be brand new, but I don't want to quote that without knowing it. All the built-in shelving here. This could be another living room or sitting room. Stainless appliances, all brand new cabinets. And you've got a closet pantry in an older house. Kitchen pantry, full size. And then this is an office with a cathedral ceiling. So a nice little add-on space here. Perfect back office. Out of the way. Here's your backyard. We're gonna walk back there more in just a minute. You can see the flooring throughout. All the nice windows, double closets. Look at this completely remodeled bathroom. Really nice. This is how they used to do the cabinets here with some little farm door over here. So you could just swing that over the bathroom. Big bedroom, massive. You can see with a walk-in closet. You can see here. The space here, this bedroom's so big. And then here's a space where you could put a dresser. Probably a dresser would be ideal there. Which, let me back up, also has a shower, linen closet. So let's back up because this, you're gonna see, you got a cute little backyard here, but a single car garage is so nice to have for storage. And it looks like they maybe have replaced that door, hard to tell. It's got a new lift master in it. And you can see just your basic one car garage with concrete pad. This home is hitting the market shortly, and I would love to show it to you. By the way, metal roof. Let's walk down the driveway, we'll finish up. So this home is in a great location and no HOA, all new landscaping here. It can be your next family home. Whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian.